working, I'm vibing, I'm chilling, I'm good.
I swear last night was some. I stayed on someone's couch till morning. Oh yeah, I'm living in a foreign. They asked me, do this shit get boring? Oh no, man, it don't get old. Flexing in the wintertime, it do get cold.
Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Shauna, back up in this joint with another video. Yo, and this is my curly hair routine for the fall. For short curly hair. So this is my hair freshly washed with no product in it at the moment. This is the shampoo and conditioner I use, nothing special, just a Herbal Essence Hello Hydration. And I also use this Aunt Jackie's Fix My Hair as a conditioning mask for deep conditioning. So it's mostly dry since I washed it, so I'm going to re-wet it a bit with this spray bottle. It's just water. So the first thing I'm going to put in my hair is a moisturizer. It's actually an oil-free moisturizer, and it's from my mom's product line. And it's a 3-in-1. It can be used to cleanse, condition, and as a leave-in for your hair. And I decided I want to use this because it's very moisturizing. Like, it has a lot of slip, so it easily spreads through my hair. So I like products that are kind of liquidy but at the same time moisturizing, so that I can just quickly spread it throughout my hair, because I like to seriously try to do quick wash and goes. And I usually just do one half of my hair at a time, but at the same time I split that half apart too, to really get up in there. And then I'm going to seal it with oil, since it's an oil-free moisturizer. And this is like a mixture of oils. It's like coconut oil, olive oil, some jojoba, rosemary, tea tree, lavender. It's just a mixture of quite a few different oils that I use on my hair and on my body, on my skin. And then for the main product, I'm using this Shea Miracle Bouncy Curls Put-In by African Pride. And this is it's just kind of like a cheap product. It's something new. So, and I switch up my products a lot too, so I might not always use these exact products every time, but this is just something I'm doing right now at the moment. And I like this because it spreads through my hair very easily, and yeah, it says to use a generous amount, so I can just use a lot and get it through my hair, and it kind of helps the curls be popping and my hair be moisturized. So yeah, and like I said, I like how it just spreads through my hair pretty easily, and it definitely can spill out if you turn the jar over, so it's not that thick. Because actually, while I was filming this, I accidentally knocked the jar over. I knocked it off of my dresser, and literally half the product went splattering all over the place, all over the floor, all over everything. So yes, the product is yeah, it's not super thick, so you gotta be careful.
I swear last night was some. I stayed on someone's couch till morning. Oh yeah.
Then I'm gonna take this Luster's UB Natural Curl Moisturizing and Defining Spray, and I'm gonna spray that all over my hair as the finishing touches. Sometimes I spray this on first, before that curl put-in, or sometimes I might just spritz it in my hair literally right after I wash it, but I don't know, I just ended up spraying it on last. So right here I could be done, this could be it. As long as I have a nice good moisturizing product that makes my hair feel soft and defines my curls, then it's good. But yeah, I decided I wanted to use this Aunt Jackie's Don't Shrink Flaxseed Elongating Curling Gel, because I want to add a little bit more, just a little bit even more define, and also, to kind of help elongate the curls a little bit. Actually, that Shea Miracle stuff that I put in, it says that also is supposed to help elongate the curls too, but yeah, but I want them to shrink up less, so I'm just gonna add this on it for now. Since my hair is still short, I'm just gonna add this for a little bit of extra define and elongatingness. Yeah.
They hate to see you in unless of course you're popping, but it don't make sense to have your back and to do better than them. No more fake friends can have you around if I have to pretend. You can't eat for nothing. You say you ride it
So this is it. This is how it looks with all the product in it, and it's pretty damp. So then the last thing I do is just style my edges and, you know, yeah, just style it and then let it dry.
These days I do not care. I don't care. Help me find a fuck to give, it's not here. I do the most, don't mean to boast, I'm unfair. Not fair. Let's be clear. I'm out here.
Out of this world, man, I'm on another planet.
Stay over there.
Ain't no lame bitch, you can't no have
They
it.
find you up.
Where they find you at, they need to put your burn.
Ain't got no manners these days, man, I swear. Anyone that's next to me is punching. Queen shit, yeah, you must think I'm frontin'. Since birth, man, I've been a problem. Don't believe it, and you should ask them. Anyone that's next to me is punching. Queen shit, yeah, you must think I'm frontin'. Since birth, man, I've been a problem. Don't believe it, and you should ask them.
So right here I got it styled the way I want it to, styled my edges a bit. So I'll be back. I'm gonna go and style my edges a little bit better, and then I'll be back and show you how it looks when it's dry. So here it's probably been like, I don't know, maybe almost an hour. It's still slightly damp, like very, very slightly, but yep, it did shrink up a bit. But of course it's always still gonna shrink up somewhat, you know. But this is how it looks, and you know, I like it. I think it's cute. So yeah, it looks good. Curls are popping and whatnot. I kind of actually like the color, like the way it, I don't know, the way it blends with the curls and everything. It actually looks pretty cool. But anyway, so yeah, sometimes I'll pull it back into like a little bun because that kind of helps stretch it even more. And actually that's what I do when I go to bed, is to just pull it back into a bun, so the next day it will be stretched longer. But even if I was getting ready to go somewhere, like if I had time, I would still pull it back into a bun a little bit maybe. And but right here I only had it pulled back for maybe about, I don't know, an hour, maybe less than an hour. So it's stretched a little bit right here, so it's stretched a little bit longer. But yeah, that's basically what I do. And when I go to bed at night, that's what I do, is just put it in a bun, and then the next day I take it down. Now I might not really have to retouch it up or nothing, as far as like, I mean, the hair might be bent, so, but it will kind of fall down and straighten out, so it won't have like the creases from the ponytail in it. And I don't really have to do much to, like, you know, it's not frizzy or anything. But like maybe after a couple of days, it just depends. I may have to spritz a little bit more water in it. I might just spritz maybe just a little bit of the moisturizing spray, and that's about it. Like, I don't have to put all the other heavier products in it, really. So that's it for my curly hair routine. This is my current curly hair routine at the moment. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you like it, leave me some comments and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. And yeah, I'll see you in another video. Peace.
Shawty think she hot, shawty think she hot shit. Damn, she fine, she a dime, she can pop shit. Shawty think she hot, shawty think she hot shit. Damn, she fine, she a dime, she can pop shit. Now don't she think she hot, don't she think she hot shit. Don't she think she hot, don't she think she hot shit. Don't she think she hot, don't she think she hot shit. Damn, she fine, she a dime, she can pop shit. Now don't she think she hot, shawty think she too hot. I think I'm the shit, nose look like I'm Tupac. Yeah, we getting lit, shawty getting juiced up. It's a gangsta party, smoking like we Snoop Dogg. Hunger who she with, I think it is her birthday. Yeah, it's going down, it's going up on a Thursday. Send another bottle out, I can see she worth it. We can have a drink, champagne if you're thirsty. Shawty think she hot, shawty think she hot shit. Damn, she a fine, she a dime, she can pop shit. Shawty think she hot, shawty think she hot shit. Damn, she a fine, she a dime, she can pop shit. Now don't she think she hot, don't she think she hot shit. Don't she think she hot, don't she think she hot shit. Don't she think she hot, don't she think she hot shit. Damn, she a fine, she a dime, she can pop shit. Now don't she think she hot, don't she think she hot shit. Don't she think she hot, don't she think she hot shit. Don't she think she hot.